Hello guys, I'm Hosted with WTI and I love smelling great. I love pink stuff. And this body lotion right here has both things, the color and the smell. This is the 1000 Wishes 24-hour moisture body lotion from Bath and Body Works. And something I really like about this one is that it has shea butter and vitamin E, which is why it's so moisturizing and it leaves your skin super smooth and shiny. It really moisturizes your skin. You can feel it, you can see it, and it smells amazing. It has a really sweet slash floral scent, so it's perfect for daytime, morning. It will be pleasant for the people around you. Maybe some people don't like strong fragrances, so this one will be perfect. If you don't want to wear perfume, then this one will do because it won't only moisturize your skin, but it will make it smell super nice. It's not too liquidy, it's pretty thick, so you won't need much product to feel like your skin is moisturized and to feel like you actually have enough. In case you're in a rush, it won't take up too much space. And that's something I always mention about products. I'm always looking to find a product that is not too big because that way I can take it anywhere with me and I can keep on moisturizing my skin. So if you guys are looking for something that will moisturize your skin but will also smell super nice and sweet to use any time of the day, well, A Thousand Wishes from Bath and Body Works will help and you will love it, I know, but that's just my point of view.